Hi guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Tip Tuesday to share with you some tips about our scissors. So if you've watched Chris before in her live videos, you may have noticed or heard her reference her different scissors. Her paper scissors, her ribbon scissors, and her glue scissors. She does have 3 scissors, and you'll see them right here. I stole them right from her studio. But to be honest with you, that is one of the smartest investments you can make, is in 3 good pairs of scissors and have them dedicated for each purpose. Now you'll see here, Chris wrote on each of hers with a silver Sharpie what they are used for. Paper, ribbon, and glue. I'm going to start with the most obvious one, and that is the glue scissors. You want to keep a designated scissors just for glue because you'll see that the blades get gummy. So if you're going to use this for anything else, it's really not going to cut super great because you've got adhesive that's stuck to it. So have a designated glue scissor and label it accordingly. If you want to clean up your glue scissors, use some Goo Gone. I'm just using Goo Gone. There's lots of different kinds. And run your blades through it. Just kind of put some gentle pressure on to kind of wipe and rub the adhesive off. Once you kind of inspect your blade and feel as though all of the adhesive is properly removed, go ahead and wipe the excess Goo Gone off. And then I do advise you definitely want to clean this under a sink with soap and water, or maybe even Blue Dawn and water. Blue Dawn is really great for greasy, oily type of things. So keep your glue scissors not only separated from using for other purposes, but also, maintain it. Keep it clean every once in a while. You'll definitely know when it's time to clean it. It'll get impossible to cut. I've taken glue scissors far too beyond their tipping point. But keep it clean, and then make sure once you have gotten the goo off of it to get the Goo Gone off of it. And you can take your scissors, like once your paper scissors starts to get dull or you cross-contaminate it or whatever, move it down to your glue scissor. You can rotate your scissors. So the next scissor would be your paper scissor. Only cut paper, like DSP, cardstock, stuff that has a paper consistency with your paper scissors. You just want to do that to preserve your ribbon scissors. So this is the holy grail of your scissors, is your ribbon scissors. She's got it labeled on both sides. Very smart. The reason you want to have a scissor dedicated just for your ribbon is because you want to know that when you cut, you're going to get a clean cut. There's no fraying. There's no tugging. There's no kind of having to pull the blades over the ribbon. You can cut with confidence knowing that every time you cut, you're going to get a beautiful snip, I should say. If you use your ribbon scissors on paper, you're going to dull your blade. And then every subsequent time that you try to cut ribbon, you're going to struggle to get a clean cut. So that is why you want to have a different scissor for each of your purposes. So, invest in 3 quality scissors and you will not have problems cutting through your projects. I hope you have a fantastic Tip Tuesday, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday.